Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Last week we talked about two-digit subtraction. We learned about how to use our strategies to solve problems, how to subtract really big numbers, and solving two-digit subtraction in word problems. This week we are going to talk about regrouping in two-digit subtraction. Now, we already learned about regrouping in addition. In addition, you regroup by taking 10 ones and turning them into a 10. In subtraction, though, regrouping goes the other way. You regroup in subtraction by taking a 10 and breaking it apart into 10 ones. The reason you do this is so you can redistribute or move around your whole so that you are able to subtract ones without confusion. Let me show you what I mean by looking at our problem today. It is 23 take away 16. So we're going to start by setting it up vertically. Our whole is 23 because I can take 16 away from 23, but I can't take 23 away from 16. So I'm going to set up 23 minus 16. Now I'm going to look at my place value picture chart. So again, 23 is my whole because I have two 10s in 23 and one 10 in 16. So 23 is bigger. 23 is our whole. And I'm going to have to start with the ones. So I have 3 ones in 23 and I need to take away 6 ones. So I need to take 6 ones out of 3. That doesn't seem possible, does it? No, that's confusing. I can't take 6 away from 3. I can't cross out 6 here. So now what I need to do is I need to regroup. And remember, in subtraction, I regroup by breaking apart a 10. So I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to cross it out. I'm going to break this 10 apart and I'm going to move it into here and represent it as 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I took that 10 and broke it apart so it could be 10 ones. Perfect. So now what I have is instead of 2 10s, I have 1 10. And instead of 3 ones, I have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. And I've got to show that up here too. I have the same amount, but I've redistributed it. I've regrouped it so that I have one group of 10 and 13 loose ones. Can I take 6 out of 13? I sure can. So now that I have 13 ones, I can subtract 6. So again, I didn't get rid of anything. I didn't take anything out just yet. I still have 23 total, but I've regrouped it so I have 1 10 and 13 loose ones. So now I can do what I just said I can do. I can take away 6. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones am I left with now? Yeah, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 13 take away 6 is 7. I have 7 ones left. And I regrouped that 10, so now I have 1 10 I can take away. And I'm taking out 1 10 because 16 has 1 10, so I'm going to just cross it out. Do I have any 10s left? No. I already redistributed or regrouped that 10 into 10 ones, and the other 10 I'm taking away because I have to take away a 10. So 23 minus 16 is just 7. 23 minus 16 is 7. This is a tough concept, but I know you girls are going to get it because we are going to keep practicing it. Our challenge problem for today is 32, take away 27, and we will look at that next time. Keep working hard, keep using your packets and going on Zern, and I will be back tomorrow with more. Have a good afternoon.